Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 17. In this video I'll show you how to recover deleted photos. To recover deleted photos on iPhone 17, firstly let's go to Photos app. Now enter Collections and scroll all the way down. Select Recently Deleted, use Face ID or enter passcode to find recently deleted photos, select the photo and select Recover. Remember that photos stay in recently deleted folder only for a month. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.